guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sarah. So basically today I'm going to do a luxury designer haul. I haven't done one of these in a while. For those who don't know, Versace do a sale twice a year. Once around Christmas time, and at the moment they have their spring summer sale 2020. So basically I got the notification that the Versace sale was on and I just thought, self-love is the best love.
Self-love is the best love. Y'all have to spoil y'allself because these niggas ain't gonna do it, so I might as well.
So I thought I might as well. Guys, I'm so hungry. Like I really should have had something to eat before I started recording, but I'm so hungry. I'm really craving like a motherfucking ham sandwich. I'm really craving a ham sandwich. But instead I'm having a Bombay Hot Boy by a Bombay Hot Boy. A Bombay Bad Boy. Hot girl summer.
It's a hot girl summer, so you know she gotta live.
When I was ordering the items, I had the option of like getting it sent as a gift, and obviously I chose that option because I'm sad. So yeah, I had it sent as a gift and I wrote myself a little message. So let's see what I wrote myself. So I wrote, treated myself because I'm a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. You know you have a problem with spending when you literally need to like quote Maya Angelou to justify your spending habits. But let's get into the haul. The first item I'm going to show you are a pair of trainers or sneakers, whatever you want to call them. So I have the Chain Reaction sneakers in a fuchsia colorway. So the Chain Reaction sneakers are a collaboration with the rapper 2 Chainz, hence why they have the linked chain chunky sole at the bottom. This is basically the signature of the shoe. On the side they have love written in braille. Some of y'all bitches can't even spell braille.
This is how bad bitches be in London and go to Prague. You bitches can't even spell Prague.
No, seriously, some of you can't spell braille because it's actually spelled B-R-A-I-L-L-E and not B-R-A-I-L. Just saying. Another signature of the shoe is that the laces are dipped in rubber. This shoe is not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, which is quite a relief because one of the reasons I didn't want to get it at first is because I thought it was going to weigh my foot down because it looked really heavy. But no, it's a decent weight, and a lot of people have said that they're really comfortable. And I think that's due to there's like a cushioning on the inside. It's like a bubble cotton cushioning. Like I don't know. I can't explain it. But yeah, that makes the shoe really comfortable to walk with. These come in various different colorways. When I chose my colorways, I didn't actually focus on the color. It was more so of the materials that the shoes are made from. Now the reason I did that is because these are not cheap, are they? I mean, the original price is about £800 and I think I got this for £400 on sale because it was half price. But yeah, seeing as designer shoes are not cheap, I always try to go for ones that have materials that I feel like are more durable or are at least wipeable. So if any dirt did come on them, I could wipe it away. So I go for like this kind of a material. I don't know what to call this. I think this is like a buffed shiny leather, or maybe it's vinyl. I'm not sure. I know there's leather on the sides here, then there's like a plastic material here, and then there's the mesh. I'd rather go for like the plastic and the coated canvas and the leathers rather than like fabric materials because they get dirty. The second item I'm going to show you is another pair of trainers. Ooh! So we have another pair of Chain Reaction, but these are in the Chain Reaction 2, so they're the second iteration. Oh my days. Leather all over and just like a bit of fabric. But yeah, this is just, oh my god. And I got it because it matches this bag. I mean, come on! I could not resist. I thought, but this is very Congolese of me. Where am I really from? Am I Ivorian or am I from the Congo? This is very Congolese. I don't even think I would wear these two together. Or would I? I don't know. I think it's a bit OTT, but I like OTT. Initially, I thought about getting this in the Fluo Baroque print. So the Fluo Baroque print is basically the fluorescent version of the Baroque print. But yeah, I chose this one because it matches the bag. But I'm still a bit iffy. I might send this back and get the Fluo Baroque print. But then the Fluo Baroque print is like, it's really bright. I mean, it's in your face. I mean, this is in your face. But the Fluo Baroque print is like, it's out there. So I don't know. Do you think I made the right choice? Let me know if you think I made the right choice. Versace is my favorite brand. And a lot of people I've noticed don't actually like Versace. And that's because people find them to be quite loud. And I can see that. They are loud, they are out there. But at the same time, I feel like with them, it's like, it's necessary. Whereas with some brands, like for example, Dolce & Gabbana, I find their designs absolutely obnoxious. It's like there's no thought put into it. It's just throw on rhinestones, throw on jewels, throw on, like, it's just a mess. It doesn't look very attractive to me. I'll be the first to admit that I'm a bit of a label whore. A lot of label whore actually. But yeah, I like a good label. I like a good monogram. Only because, I'm not being funny, if you're spending that much money, why would it be understated? Like, I understand some people find, like, you know, labels and like prints very tacky and they prefer like a more understated designer look, but I don't really understand that. Like, I feel like if I'm gonna spend that much money, I want you to know that it's designer, and I don't want it to be like it's only noticeable to like the trained eye. No, the untrained eye will know I'm wearing drip. It's all down to like personal preference, you know. The people that like the more understated look would argue that the people that know that it's designer will know that it's designer, so it doesn't have to be that out there. But I like it to be out there. I want you to know that I'm wearing designer. Like, it's as simple as that. And basically, yeah, so I like a good print of the name or a monogram. So you'll rarely find me buying something that it's like, it's not obvious that it's a certain brand. I like it to be obvious that it's a certain brand. With saying that, I don't actually like the way Balenciaga prints the Balenciaga on their bags. I don't know. I know this sounds a bit hypocritical because of the Versace bag that I have, but I don't know. With Balenciaga, I find it to be quite lazy. They're very lazy with it. They'll just slap on Balenciaga onto everything. It's just a bit like, come on, be a bit more creative. The third item I got is this clutch. I actually got this in the men's section, and oh my days, look how pretty this is. So this is the large embossed Greek key clutch in the blue. It also comes in the black, but I already had one black Versace clutch, so I wasn't going to get another one. This is in a calf leather, and obviously it has the Greek key embossment in it. Oh, is embossment even a word? Embossment. I think it's a word. I like that it's quite simple actually. It's just in a cobalt blue. It kind of looks a bit dark purpley in real life. But yeah, the colour is absolutely stunning. And yeah, it's quite simple. It has the classic Versace Greek key imprinted in it. And, you know, a little Medusa head. The Medusa head, I wish that was a bit bigger. But that's the label whore in me again. But yeah, I could have done with the Medusa head being a little bigger. item is I mean, look at that. It's so cute. It is adorable. So this is the Icon bifold or bifold wallet in the orange. Oh my god. Can I just say one thing about Versace? This wallet is originally priced at £260. Now, that is amazing as it is, but I got it half price for £130 because the sale is 50% off. I am really impressed with that. I mean, their price points are really good for what you're getting. Anywhere else, you'd be paying $230 for like the tiniest SLG, which are small leather goods. £260 is very affordable, even more so now that it's only $130. So I would snap this up either for yourself or like a present for a loved one, because it's just adorable. So it has a snap button closure, smooth calf leather. It's kind of like, what's that? Ingrained leather, is it? Ingrained? Yeah, it's not smooth, it's like ingrained. It has the Medusa head. Absolutely stunning buy. So there was a cute coin purse to go with this, and I was really tempted to get it. I was like, oh, contemplating. But then I realized, obviously I'm like a strong believer in the law of attraction, and I thought, what you put out there is what you get back. Do I really want to buy a coin purse and then all of a sudden all I'm attracting are coins? No. I rebuke it for me, I rebuke it for you. We will only attract notes, hefty bank accounts. So yeah, I had to pass up on the coin purse. I would have got it if it was like a cute orange card holder, you know, to hold all my black cards. Law of attraction, attract it in your life. Say amen. We will get black cards. Say amen. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I had to skip on the coin purse for that reason. So the fifth item is another pair of trainers. Here we have the cross trainer. So this is part of the chain reaction family. It also has the chain link sole. It has power written in braille, and it has the Grecker cage there. And that's actually reflective, so it glows in the dark. It has two Grecker pull tabs. It has Versace written on this. You'll see in the close-up. But yeah, this shoe doesn't exactly fit in with my principles that I mentioned earlier on about the fabrics and it not getting dirty, because it's all like fabric, really, and suede at the back. And it's white as well. I don't tend to get designer stuff in white, only because I couldn't bear it to get dirty. So I took a risk with this, but I don't think I'm going to keep it, to be quite honest. Because if it was like white leather, like I said before, I could wipe off a stain. But with this, I can't. So yeah, I don't know. Item and the final pair of trainers that I have are, look at this beauty, So this is another pair of cross chainers, but I got it in the black and it has a Baroque pattern on it. Oh, I'm obsessed. I mean, that is just beautiful. It's so classy. It's a very, I've never seen a pair of trainers that are just so classy. Do you know what I mean? Like just very like eloquent. Yet again, the Greca cage on the tongue, the Power written in Braille, the Greca pull tabs, and the sole is black. This actually came in a pink colorway, but I found that to be quite, it was hideous, to be quite honest. Yeah, it was just, I don't know if it was the color of the pink. It was just very, it looked quite childish. It looked like something like a 12-year-old would wear. It just was not nice at all. But yeah, oh my god, I think this might be my favorite shoe. Oh guys, I forgot to mention, so all the shoes I got, they were all in a Italian 40, which is a UK size 7. So yeah, I have big feet. Item is ooh, it's a belt. Look at that. I mean, come on, are you joking? This is the crystal Medusa head belt. It is 100% leather. I don't know what kind of leather it is. I'm thinking it's calf leather because most of Versace's things are calf leather, and it's a smooth leather. So yeah, it's embellished, oh my god, I'm like fidgeting. It's embellished in rhinestones all over, and oh my god, I mean, it's just stunning. It's literally stunning. This is actually from the men's section. Surprisingly, it's from the men's section. But yeah, I just couldn't pass this up when I saw it, so. And I only have one other designer belt, which is the Gucci Marmont, but I hate it only because everyone and their dog has this belt. Everyone and their dog. I've only ever worn it once, and yeah, I'm thinking I might sell it. I still have like all the tags and the box, and I think this retails for £300, but I'll sell it for a good price. So yeah, hit me up if you want it, because honestly, I don't think, like, sometimes I think hold on to it because the Gucci Marmont belt might make a comeback. Like, it might be like, woo! But I don't know. Will I even want it to make a comeback because everyone has it? So it's just like, everyone will be wearing it. I don't know, I just don't think I want it. So yeah, if you want it, let me know. Give you a good price for it. That's the end of the haul, guys. I hope you really enjoy that. Honestly, get onto Versace right now. Like, even if to get something small, like, you know, just treat yourself. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that haul. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.